No.
Rock, paper, scissors.
No.
Wait, I gotta think first. Okay. Did it?
Fine. Yeah, I won. I feel.
I had my glasses.
See?
Spray the glasses. Yes, I felt it. Almost. Do it again.
Man, you lost again.
She was like, hey, you gotta do a different angle. He's like, what could
There we go.
I gotta do whatever it was.
Bam.
Yeah, hold on. Oh, this is not working. New one. Oh, yeah. I can't even see. Is it coming
Oh, got my eye ready.
Whatever, like.
It did. I hope it did.
Oh, crap. No, this one didn't even work. Gotta find the right pour. See, none of these are working. Am I squeezing?
Yes, I'm feeling it.
Watch your eyes still open.
I'm kind of keep it open. I'm trying to avoid the burn. Oh. Well, that one went in.
Yeah.
Oh!
I was so bored, that's why.
I'm gonna go rock forever. I don't care. I don't care. I'm gonna go rock forever. Ah!
Okay.
Oh!
Really?
Okay.
You gotta find an angle. No, that's it. I need my pill. I don't feel it. No. I can smell it. Okay, I felt it. Dang, this is all squeezed out. Really?
Upstairs, I'm gonna just go rock forever.
Okay, that's a big one. Ah, big squeeze. Should go paper forever. Yeah, I'll get my hands sweat.
Ah, come on, see.